Hello, great day to you, and we are here today to be able to learn more commands for Greenfoot, specifically for the scenario Trick the Turtle. So let's start off by opening up the project, and you've got to ensure that you were able to extract the zip file for Trick the Turtle properly, or else it will not work. And so let's open it. Trick, by the way, is the name of the turtle. And yeah, let's start programming. So let's start off by getting a turtle in the world. This is the world, by the way. And let's try to see what it will do if we click run. So there is nothing. It is not moving whatsoever. And that is because when we open the source code, there is nothing for the act method. It is empty, there is no command. So this yellow part shows your act method, while this green part shows your class method. So let's try to change its state. Let's try to make it move. Let's try to do that by using the move command. So between these two curly brackets, we are going to type in move. And don't forget that Java is case sensitive, so you've got to use a small letter for this because it is a method. And then we put in our parameter. Let's say we want it to move for about 5 pixels at a time. And we have to end that with a semicolon to signify that's the end of our command. So let's try to compile that. And let's close this up. And as you'll see, okay, so let's compile. And okay, so you'll see that the turtle that we placed in the world a while ago is gone. That's because we changed the source code. So you've got to add another turtle. And let's try to click run. So as you see, it moved. And what if we want to make it turn while it's moving, in effect creating this circular motion? So we can do that again by editing the source code. So this time let's try to type in turn. And you want to again specify your parameters. Say you want the turtle to move at 9 degrees. It doesn't really matter, it will turn, but it does affect the angle at which it turns. So let's try to compile that and close this up, and let's add another turtle. So let's click run, and you'll see that it is moving in circular motions, in a circular motion rather. And now let's try to let the turtle react to its environment. What if we want it to bounce off the edge whenever it's moving? A while ago when we made it move, it stopped at the edge of the world. What if we want it to bounce back and keep on moving? So let's open the animal class here, and you see this command at world edge. And because of the concept of inheritance in Greenfoot, the turtle can be able to execute or use the same command. So let's try to use that. So now we're going to introduce another type of statement, and it's called an if statement. So we've got to remove turn here because that is our that is what we want it to do using the if statement. So first we put two curly brackets again, and as you see the color change, that's because it signifies that we're trying to add another type of method where we're actually doing the if method. So first you've got to type in if. So you want to specify your condition, So what you want to happen will be written after this. So if at world edge, so that is your condition. And as you see, again, it's case sensitive. You gotta follow that a method starts with a small case letter, and then per new word it's gotta be capital. And then you put in your parameter, but obviously you do not have a parameter because you just wanted to bounce off the edge. There's no specific angle of that. And then you close it with a parenthesis. And Now you put another set of curly brackets, and this, in between your curly brackets, you will put the statement that you want to happen following this condition. So what do we want to happen? We want it to turn. So let's make it turn. So this is where we put the turn command, and say we want it to turn with a parameter of 5. And then we again close it off with semicolon. And let's try to compile that. And let's see what happens. So let's put in another turtle, and let's click run. And as you see, it bounces off the edges of your world. So thank you for listening and watching. I hope you learned a lot. And keep on learning more about Greenfoot and programming, especially now that in our world today, programming has become more vital to the lives and the technology of the people today. So all the best in learning, and a great day to you.